Good morning. I have an appointment for 10:30.
Good morning. May I have your name, please?
It's Sarah Miller.
Thank you, Sarah. Are you a new patient here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
I see. I'll need you to fill out this form.
No problem. Do you need to see my ID?
Yes, and your insurance card if you have one.
Here they are. Should I sit down while I fill this out?
Yes, please. You can use the clipboard on the desk.
I'm finished. Where should I put this?
You can hand it back to me. Thank you.
That's fine. Is there a restroom I can use?
Yes, it's just down the hallway on the left. Sarah Miller. The doctor is ready to see you now.
Great. Thank you. Which way do I go?
Follow the hallway to room 4.
Hello. Please, have a seat. What brings you in today?
I've been feeling quite under the weather lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are your main symptoms?
I have a splitting headache and a very sore throat.
How long have you been feeling this way?
It started 3 days ago and it's getting worse.
Have you had any fever or chills?
Yes, I had a slight fever last night.
Okay, let me take your temperature and pulse.
Is everything looking okay?
Your heart rate is fine, but your temperature is high. Open wide and say, "Ah," for me.
Ah, is it very red in there?
Yes, your throat is quite inflamed. I'm going to listen to your lungs. Deep breath.
I've also had a bit of a cough.
Your chest sounds clear, which is good news.
So, what do you think it is, doctor?
It looks like you've come down with a common flu.
Do I need to take any strong medicine?
Take 1 tablet twice a day after your meals.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, you should take it easy for at least 48 hours.
Thank you, doctor. When will I feel better?
You should be back on your feet by the weekend.
Thanks for your help. Have a good afternoon.
You're very welcome. Take care of yourself.